Rengkat bat karihi berokawai ke Jela Meghalaya hak arpundro trek kula lengkot arhajar arpuar kala Rakhe ke sengi yok Republik ke bahnyo pulai ne ke sengi menken mau ya ke jeng pentrekam ya ke riti sencari. Hakani ke Jela yakni ke jeng Rakhe le penlong hak lengki distrik bat ki subdivision. Neri ke jeng Rakhe ke bakham he kadi ke bela penlong ha madan polo hasilong. Hagabau menteri rangba ke Jela Konrad kongkal sangmau le penher ke lama lairong jongkeri bat ul airu ya ke Rashtriya Salute Syakikan huan baper ke belai shimbenta aga jingat pariat. Menteri rangba ula samru ke khusnam shkinong trai ke tenat kakot kakya ke bekon ke klam COVID-19 syaki pulet home guards bat kiwai. Menteri rangba ula ajingkran ru halor kimat ki baga sarkar kala shimkhya na ke benta ban kenti wa kayok kakot bat ki kam penroi haga jela. Uluang babar syakata la syekran syapang ke jengkong san kinong rap bat ke jeng senyang jongki. Nrei ke eipat ke belale na ke benta jongki bat haga sian ke benengkong haga history jong ke jela. La sedang ki program baper ban kentiu kinong rap hagi ni ki khat ar benai ki belalet. Haga balamang ban pulut arspa klur tengka na ke benta ki saulak sampu hajar ngot kinong rap haga jela.
GTC followed by the second in charge, Assistant Superintendent of Police, Swapnil Power of the Meghalaya Police.
First contingent reaching the dais, ladies and gentlemen, following the 58 GTC Atul Kanoja. The CRPF is followed by the contingent of the District Defence Force led by APSI Noble Ringpan. Of the 1st MLP Battalion under APSI contingent under Junior Under Officer Vikas CC Girls contingent approaching to take the salute now under the command of Junior Under Officer Lancy.
Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a loud round of applause for the striking display of parade at the 73rd Republic Day celebrations here in Shillong. The result of one
process of the just transition where we are ensuring that people are going to be able to mine in a scientific manner, respecting the environment, respecting the system, respecting the people. And therefore you will see that within this year of our 50 years, our Golden Jubilee, we will come out with scientific mining licenses, which is under process as we speak. At the same time, in this very, very wonderful and beautiful year of 75 years of our independence and 50 years of our statehood, I must say something which is very, very important. We have seen many instances of communal violence. We have seen situations where individuals have been targeted. Of course, we know that this does not reflect the society. This may be incidents that are there. A particular individual might be doing this. But while this happens, as a society, we must reflect. We must reflect and see what we can do to change this. One or two individuals. Not the society, but one or two individuals. And we need to realize that the messaging that we are giving is something that we need to look at. We need to realize that to showcase our patriotism, we don't need to be communal. So therefore, it is up to us as a society to ensure that even these one or two stray incidents that are happening is something that should not be allowed, should be condemned, and as a society, as different organizations, we should take the responsibility to ensure that we respect each other while we fight for our identity, while we fight for our rights, while we fight for our people and our community. We must respect others also. So therefore, as a government, one cannot wait till they are 15, 16, 17, 18 and then realize that we have not done enough. Hence, for the first time, maybe in the region and maybe in the country, We will be having a detailed, comprehensive program for the youth from the day the child is born to the day of adulthood. And I will assure you that as we go along in this next 1 year and we celebrate this 50 years, we will do our best to give recognition to as many as possible while we inaugurate these 300 projects that are there throughout the state. We will also involve these individuals and families and pay respects to these people who made our state happen. So with these few words, once again, I take this opportunity to wish each and every one of you a very, very happy Republic Day. Kublai, Mathela, and Jai Hind.